The COVID 19 pandemic, started in December 2019, had a very bad course of journey. The virus has affected almost 320 million student population in India. Kids are the most adversely affected by this. From a baby to a high school student, everybody is being affected by this pandemic. Educational methods have been mutated. A kid who is supposed to be going out with parents and know colors of the world is stuck in between four walls of the house. Millions of children could be adversely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, and we anticipate that the greatest impact could be on those in poor socio-economic groups who are already vulnerable and disadvantaged. Social isolation is one of the biggest problems that is faced by the kid. The development of a better childhood is being denied for them. A kid from 2 years to an upper primary level can be affected by this. One of the major consequences of lockdown could be that some children will not be able to engage in outdoor physical activities, especially if they do not have access to outdoor space, which could increase physical problems and the disorders that are associated with them. Another thing is the aggressive behavioral changes developed due to the lockdown. The classes once happened face to face is now virtual. This increases an over-dependency on digital gadgets, and this can change their perspective towards the system that may shrink them to the digital space. There also is another group of children who are engaged in other things like small business during the lockdown time. The kids doing small jobs like roadside shops eventually keep them away from their education. From their academic success to their social skills and mental health, the pandemic is a crisis for today's children, and the fallout may follow them for the rest of their lives. The better way is to spend time with your family, getting engaged in creative works. Interaction with them can be helpful in sporting our mind and getting relaxed.